Welcome to Dara Says, English tips for daily use. And today's episode is riding the subway. When you're riding the subway, it is very important to pay attention to your surroundings. Also, make sure that you listen to the train conductor when he is giving an announcement. It's very, very important to know where to go. Make sure that you give yourself enough room for other people to sit. Don't find yourself blocking the seats with your bags or anything like that, because it's considered very impolite. And always try your best to enjoy the ride, even when it gets crowded, because if you live in a city like New York City, it will get busy. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Dara Says, English Tips for Daily Use. I'll see you in the next video.